Arlington County's aquatics program is dedicated to providing Arlington residents with instructional and recreational aquatic opportunities that promote water-friendly lifestyles, confidence, and comfort in the water. To do this, the county, in partnership with Arlington Public Schools, operates 3 aquatic centers that are open to the community year-round: Wakefield Aquatics Center, Yorktown Aquatics Center, and Washington Lee Aquatics Center. Arlington's aquatic centers all house 2 pools: a large competition pool with state-of-the-art timing equipment, and an instructional pool. Ready to take a dive? Each aquatic center also has a diving well. From swim meets to water polo to swim lessons to open swims and water fitness classes, Arlington's aquatic centers have water fun for everyone. It's easy to go car-free to each of Arlington's aquatic centers. To get to Wakefield Aquatics Center, you can ride ART 75, which runs from the Virginia Square Metro Station on the Orange and Silver lines to Shirlington Station. To get to Yorktown Aquatics Center, ride ART 52, which runs from the Ballston Metro Station to the East Falls Church Metro Station. To get to the Washington Lee Aquatics Center, ride ART 52, 53, or Metrobus 38B, all of which will drop you off within a block of the Aquatic Center. Feel like bicycling to one of Arlington's aquatic centers? Visit bikearlington.com, click on Maps and Rides, and plan your trip. Arlington has over 50 miles of off-street trails, bike lanes, and sharrows that make getting to the aquatic centers by bike incredibly easy. For more information about each of Arlington's aquatic centers, including operating hours, public swim schedules, class schedules, and entrance fees, visit the Arlington County Aquatics Program webpage. And for a complete list of real-time transit options to Arlington's aquatic centers, go to carfreediet.com, click on Partners, and search for Aquatics Center.